Ever wanted to share your favorite shows or movies on Disney Hotstar with a friend or family member, but you couldn't figure out how to use it on two phones? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with this simple issue, but by the end of this video, you're going to be all set to watch together anytime you want. So here are 5 easy steps to get started. First, you're going to make sure that both phones have the Disney Hotstar app installed. You can download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. All right. Next, you're going to log in to your Disney Hotstar account on both phones using the same username and password. All right. Third, you're going to check if your subscription plan allows for multiple devices. Disney Hotstar's premium plans usually let you stream on more than one device. All right. Now, after that, you have to ensure that both phones have a stable internet connection for smooth streaming. And finally, you're going to choose the movie or the show that you want to watch on one phone and simply use your screen mirroring or cast the content to the other phone. So now you're all set. Share the magic of Disney Hotstar and enjoy the shows together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.